iPart is a website available to our Gregg Distributors customers, which gives you access to your Gregg's account online. With iPart, you have access to many useful features. There are multiple ways to search or browse for products on iPart to make it easy for you to find what you need. If you were looking for master locks, you can search by a keyword like locks, and iPart will retrieve all the matching results. In the results table, you can see the relevant details of the items found, compare your options, and add the products to your cart. iPart will allow you to change how the site displays results and information. Table view, grid view, or list view, whichever you like best. You can also search directly by a specific part number, and iPart will show a drop-down list of matching items that will continue to narrow down the options as you finish entering the part number. Does your company have its own unique part numbers? Once set up, you can search using My Part Number, and iPart will find the correct items using your very own part numbers. Ask your Gregg's sales representative for more information on My Part Number. Finally, you can also search by item description. The iPart results show pricing and real-time availability of the products at your local Gregg's location. Availability in the Gregg Distribution Center is also shown. So, if you need more of an item than what's currently available locally, you can still shop with confidence, seeing that we have what you need in stock right now and ready to ship. With over a 97% fill rate, in iPart, you can plainly see how serious we are about having what you're looking for on the shelf ready for when you need it. Want to know more about the product? By clicking the item, iPart opens the details in a new tab. Here, you can see all of the item's features and specifications along with its picture. You are also able to click and view the traditional Gregg Distributors catalog page, where you can see other similar items. From the results displayed, if you'd like to see a similar product, iPart will show you direct alternatives to that particular item. Or you can see related items, which are parts that may work in conjunction with your selected product. For these Watson gloves, we can see alternatives to the style or size, as well as some other related safety items that you may want to consider. When you've added all the products you need, you can click the cart to review your order. Before placing an order, choose your delivery option and fill out the required fields. Then click the Place Order button. Placing an order is that simple. Oh, and by the way, thanks for shopping Canadian today, eh? In the Carts tab, you can see carts you've worked on earlier through the site or through MiPart, or even vendor-managed inventory carts created by your Gregg's sales representative. With iPart, you also have access to MiPart, a mobile app which works in sync with your iPart account, where you can review carts from the app on the iPart site. You can review your pending orders, make any changes, and then place the order once you're ready. If you want to learn more about MiPart, a link to the video is included in the description below. Using the Stock Order tab, you can quickly get pricing, availability, and add multiple items to your cart. If you have a list of item numbers from the catalog, for example, Energizer AA and AAA batteries, you can type them into the Stock Order tab. The same item details as a search, like price and availability, will be displayed, and you can quickly enter part numbers that are validated and ready for ordering. You can also upload a spreadsheet file containing the part numbers needed to create your order. If you order the same parts on a regular basis, you're able to create standing carts for frequently ordered items. A standing cart is saved onto the site so you won't have to type in the part numbers each time you want to reorder. Copying this Walter Surface Technologies wheels and drill bits to a new cart, you can add more parts, remove parts, or change quantities before ordering the replacement stock. In the Orders tab, you can view the purchase history for your account. iPart also has the options to search for your invoice. You can even search using your own PO number. iPart can help make your job easier by letting you place an order online through your Gregg's account. Weekday, weekend, anytime, day or night, whatever suits you best. iPart is available for your convenience outside of normal business hours. Want more information? Ask your local branch or customer service representative. We'd be happy to help. Gregg Distributors is proud to be 100% Canadian owned, and from all of our employee investors, we would like to thank you for the opportunity to earn your business. Thanks for keeping it Canadian.